name is Jean. I'm in the 5th grade at the elementary school. Today, I'm going to tell you about my favorite activity, cooking. I have loved cooking since I was young. I usually bake cookies at home with my friends. My favorite cookies are Marie's. Here are the ingredients: eggs, sugar, and fresh lemon juice. You have to prepare for the toast. A bowl whisk, a mixing bowl, a piping bag, a piping tip, a baking sheet, and an electric oven. Here are the recipe. First, put the egg white only into the mixing bowl. Be careful not to mix the yolk. A little yolk if can prevent the batter. Second, beat the egg white with the bowl whisk. Put the sugar 3 times. The mixture will become sticky, glossy, and sticky. Third, after put the piping bag together on a piping tip, pour mixture into it. If you want the color remains, you can add food coloring. Fourth, squeeze the piping bag together, baking it. Finally, bake them in the preheated oven. Now enjoy your Marie's cookies. Can you give a try? Thanks for listening to me. Bye.